is a finished look of this super pretty, affordable unit right here. So this unit, guys, was sent to me from OmgHerhair.com. So this unit, guys, is the SKU number BOB14. The length on this bad boy here is only 8 inches long. Now this unit has a double density, so the front is 130 and the back is 180, which is excellent. This is a natural color. It's a medium cap size. Now the lace color on this one is a brown lace color, and this is a 4.5 inch parting glueless lace front wig. So with this unit, I did show you guys it's not glued down at all. So this is a glueless unit, which I can attest to. Now the difference between this glueless unit and on other glueless units, that this one did not come with an adjustable strap, so it's just glueless by nature, I guess you can say. With this one, it does come with this awesome big comb in the back, so it can definitely give you like a nice support in the back. I did adjust the straps in the back as well too, but the cap size overall fit me very well. Now with this unit, guys, you guys already know me. I always do my styling on my lucky or my trusty mannequin head. I will leave all the information down below in regards to the items that I use anyways, but for this wig in general, because I knew I was going to wear glueless, I wanted to make sure I perfected it on the mannequin head. So a lot of the styling as far as like the baby hairage, the hairline slay was done on the mannequin head to assure me that once I took it off of this and plotted it on my head, it was going to be the same. And I'm telling you guys, this wig is perfect. After I styled it on the mannequin head and put it on my head, it was excellent. The same, like there's a few times you'll get a wig from a company and then you'll put it on the mannequin head and then put it on your head and it looks completely different. The same way it looked on the mannequin head once I styled is the same way it looks like on my head right now, which I really like. And like I said, it's glueless, so this is the type of wig you could pop on off at night and then pop it on in the morning. For my low maintenance girls, people out there that don't have time to really do like a full 2-hour preparation on a wig, like not everyone has time like that. I'm starting to realize I'm that bitch. I ain't got the time for that kind of stuff. So like I said, I'll leave the links down below for this, but try your hardest to style on the mannequin head before putting it on your head, especially if you're wearing glueless wigs. It'll just save you so much time, guys, trust me. I did kind of show you guys my hot comb method, where I kind of, with the glueless units, I just separate the baby hairs out and just kind of press on it, well, without burning myself, press on the lace a little bit so that I can flatten the lace out to make it look really natural. So I feel like the hairline looks natural, guys. Let me know what you guys think down below, but I think all in all, this wig is excellent. It's one of my favorite bobs. Now I know you guys are probably like, what about all the other bobs you get from other companies? Well, this one is the first bob that I've seen that's affordable, number one. That's a great mixed density that makes sense, number two. And the fact that this one, I don't have to glue it down, is excellent. But another factor about this one, it came with a side part. A lot of the other units that I received are all middle part styles. This one came with a side part that is so laid to the gods. I did not create this part, guys. It came just like this one, and it just looks amazing. I'm telling you guys, I don't know what it is about this unit, but I feel like it's very simple and sleek at the same time. So if you have a holiday party going to, guys, we do have a few more holidays. We have Kwanzaa, Hanukkah, Christmas, New Year's Eve, New Year's. So if you want to find something affordable to wear for the holidays coming up, guys, I highly recommend this unit. It is Black Friday by the time you're watching this video, so you guys know there's going to be some great deals. So make sure you go ahead and click that link down below, guys. But all in all, I'll turn around and show you guys the back, but all in all, I think that this one actually came out really nice, guys. It's a simple type of subtle look, and I know you guys are going to ask me about my lips. What I have on my lips is the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in Canes. I'll actually insert it in the video or leave it down below for you guys, but I just feel like this whole entire look looks like so wintry, so natural and so fun. So let me know what you guys think. Like I said, guys, I will leave all the information down below per usual. Happy holidays to everyone, but do not forget, guys, to thumbs up this video, leave your comments down below, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family, people, and I will catch you guys in a later one. Bye.